it's very important that our pad slides freely in the bracket. Now this one's not too bad a shape. Some of them are so bad you have to take a hammer to pound the pad out of the bracket. Those need a lot of work. This one just needs a little bit of cleaning up, so I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it. This side I'm going to use my wire brush and my file, and we'll clean it up real nice. Then this side we're going to use our sandblaster, and I'll show you the difference in not only appearance when we're done, but also the speed. Let's start with this side. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. Now we'll do the sandblasting side. So you can see the sandblasting didn't take long at all. It does a very nice job getting it right down to that cast iron. Now, the side that we did with the wire brush and the file is clean, but it took a little bit longer. Now, one more thing before we put the pads in, don't forget to lubricate all sliding points, not only on the pads, but also on the bracket here. We've got a video just on using the proper lube and the proper procedures, so make sure you watch that also.